making videos. Sorry, guess what? Bro, you have to get Xbox Live right now. Get Xbox Live as soon as you can. You know, I can share my account and give you Friday the 13th. Angel just got me Friday the 13th. I can share it with you. Like literally, bro. I know I said get Xbox Live as soon as you can, bro. Or I'll call you back. Tonyo over here making chicken noises. You hear this, man? You over here making random noises. I said that you're the one that got me it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. He said that he's gonna get it tomorrow. While I was downloading, I'm about to watch some YouTube. Some celebration songs. Celebrate. Good songs. I'll be back on mic in a second. You will shed pee. But we have to clean up my room. We go clean it up, dude. Nigga, fix it.
I'm gonna get 2 Big Macs, 2 apple pie with it inside the problem.
You know what? Clean up right now.
Oh.
Boy. I stay on that leg, boy.
We fighting.
Come on, Daddy. Psych. We thought you was asleep. What's up?
Okay, I clean up then.
Yeah, clean up.
Okay.
Get the rug and stuff. I got my cup.
Just playing and stuff. So
Didn't I just say clean up?
I'll make another video today.